Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 scale racing. Then we got the newest edition of the Hot Wheels RC 164 vehicles. Then we got a GMC Hummer. Let's open her up. Got the charging wire for the little truck. The charging port, off and on button. That little ramp from coming off the floor to the track. That little controller. Takes two AA batteries. And put the batteries in, charge the truck up, and be right back. Alright, we got the batteries in. See the light come on. What you gotta do, you gotta take the truck, turn it on, mash the button, you gotta pair it. And it ain't working yet. There it goes. Now we're going. Frontwards, backwards. Oops. Let's put it on the track. Alright, let's put it on the track. Thing's pretty quick. Smooth. Got forward, got reverse, got the speed button. Oh yeah. Pretty neat. Hmm. Man, that thing hauls tail, boy. Look at it. Backwards. Uh-oh. Done had a wreck going a little too fast. Of course, that was backwards. Oh, yeah. I give it a 5-star. But anyway. Appreciate you watching this little review of this 1/64 scale Hot Wheels RC car. Check out my other videos of the other RC remote control cars. Check them out at 1/64 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.